Hi, this is the review for homework 4.2, Distributing Operations, ACE Problems 3 and 4 on page 69. This is just reviewing what we talked about in class with using rectangles to show how you can distribute addition over in multiplication and multiplication and addition. So the first one says, draw and label the edges and areas of a rectangle to illustrate each pair of equivalent expressions. What we can see here is that we have 3 plus 2 times 12. What that tells me is one side of my rectangle is 12, the other side of my rectangle is 3 plus 2, or 5. So we have a rectangle that has 3 plus 2 by 12. For B, we have 9 times 3 plus 9 times 5. What that tells me is that I have one side that is 9 and another side that's 3 and 5, which is what they say over here, 9 times 3 plus 5. So I have one side that's 9, one side that's 3 plus 5. 3 and 5. X times 5 plus 9 equals 5x plus 5, 9. Again, that means we have one side that's x, one side that's 5 plus 9. So here we have x, here we have 5 plus 9. 2 times x plus 8 equals 2x plus 16. Here they actually multiplied it out, but it's the same idea. It's one side is 2, one is x plus 8. So 2 times x plus 2 times 8, or 2x plus 16. Our secret word or phrase is going to be new seats, N-E-W-S-E-A-T-S, because it's the first of the month and you get new seats. For question 4, it's the opposite problem. They give you the shape and you need to write the equation. So here I see that I have a rectangle that one side's 15 and the other side's split up into 5 and 2. So there's two different ways that I can write this. I can say the way that we know, length times width, 5 times 15 plus 2 times 15, 5 times 15 plus 2 times 15, or I can add the 5 and 2 together and multiply that by 15. So 5 plus 2 times 15. So 5 plus 2 times 15, or 5 times 15 plus 2 times 15. B, the long way, would be doing it 6 times 12 plus 6 times 8. The shorter way would be 6 times 12 plus 8. C, now we have both sides are split into different parts, but that's okay. We can still do it. We can say 5 times 13 plus 5 times 2 plus 2 times 13 plus 2 times 2, which is the longer way. The shorter way is to add the two sides, 5 plus 2 times 13 plus 2. And the last question is, we have one side is split up into x and 2, and the other side is 14. The longer way, the way we know, x times 14 plus 2 times 14. Or you can say x plus 2 times 14. So that concludes the homework review for homework 4.2. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.